today we're covering this up. I'm gonna put some wood planks around the frame and then put the plexiglass on the top. Today's Sunday, so normally it's just a relaxed day. I don't really work too hard on the weekends because it's the weekend. But Sundays, you know, I like to either do a little bit of upgrade to the shop or work on, you know, little things here and there. So I'm not a carpenter by any means, so if you're a carpenter and watching this or a handyman, you can yell at me later or just not watch the video. So I'm just gonna cut these, put them in sections, and put the glass on. Hopefully that works. Alright, so it's in, it's painted. I'm gonna wait for that to dry and then put the glass on this side. So there it is. It's not perfect. Very ghetto, DIY, whatever. It helps since they do body work on that side. It helps keep the dust from coming in and affecting any of the wraps. So that's all the time for today. I have to head out. But since this episode is very short, I'm gonna throw you guys in some unused footage from my hard drive that I never got to edit or add to any video. So here you go.